How to book a car with local rent and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can use local rent and how you can rent a car or book a car. So having said that, let's jump into the video. And before we begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description below that contains a bunch of coupon codes and discount codes that you can apply on the booking when you book a car over here for your destination. So be sure to check those out as well. So let's get into it. So when you come over here onto the website, basically it gives you this whole plethora or a whole menu of different locations where they are located. So you can see we have United States, and you can also see how many cars there are in that area. So UAE has 777, Turkey has 4,241, quite a lot actually. We got Thailand 1450, Sri Lanka is 153, Serbia is 222, Portugal is 882, 850, Oman is 160. So you can basically see, just simply go ahead and select the country you want and you should be good to go, right? So let's go with France, right? Let's go with France. Click on France. We got 40 cars available over here. Should have picked a location that has more options. Let me go ahead and fix this real quick. And here we go. So now we just simply go ahead and select the car that we want, and we also select pickup and drop off location, and we can even select the rental date, how many days we want to rent this car. If we have specific location, we can go ahead and allow that, and we can go ahead and select those cars from there as well. So just simply select the car you want and also select the location. So we'll keep it over here, Bordeaux, and drop off should be in Lyon or Marseille. Let's go with Lyon. And we have all these different cars available, and we can see the price of them as well. Let's go with this one, Toyota Aygo. Kind of looks like a Yaris, but yeah, we'll go with this one. Click on view, select the date. We can even select what type of gearbox it has, the engine, your manufacturing, air conditioning, number of seats, everything. You can even select the driver's age as well. These are the requirements. Minimum driving experience, it has to be a year. Mileage limit, there's no limit. And you can go ahead and select the option you want, and even have additional services like child booster seats, second driver, child safety seat, everything up. And then you just simply hit the continue button, fill out this form, select the flight number, fill out this main driver's details, everything, and then just simply pay by card or Google Pay, and boom, you're good to go. That's how you can easily book a car with local rent. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.